fabric softener manufacturers hide this from you. If you, like most people, put the fabric softener directly into the washing machine, you are doing it all wrong. This way, your fabric softener doesn't last, and you only get 20% of its scent on your clothes, which fades away quickly. Using it the right way, you will save your fabric softener and still enjoy 100% of the product efficiency on your clothes. To do this, follow these steps. Start by adding half a cup of water into a container. Once you've done that, add 2 tablespoons of your favorite fabric softener. Remember that 2 tablespoons are not even half a cupful of fabric softener. Next, add 1 tablespoon of alcohol. You can use any liquid alcohol you got there. And to finish, just add a small spoonful of salt and mix everything very well. And don't worry, your clothes won't be salty or anything like that. The salt will just enhance the scent of the fabric softener on the fabric. After mixing well, simply transfer our entire mixture to a spray bottle. This will make application easier. And with that, our tip is ready. And using it is quite simple. Instead of adding the fabric softener before washing the clothes, you will use it after. That's right. Once the washing process is finished, put the clothes to dry as usual. And now, take our mixture and spray it all over the garment. Apply it on the front and the back. You can control the amount you use. This amount of mixture we made is enough for multiple uses, and keep in mind that I only used 2 tablespoons of fabric softener. So besides saving money, your clothes will be much more fragrant, because you will enjoy 100% of the fabric softener's aroma. Try this at home, I'm sure you're going to love it. And as a bonus tip, let me show you a great mix to help clean your toilet. Besides being clean, it will smell very good. For this, put 1 cup of water in a container, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of fabric softener. Mix well, then transfer this mixture to a bottle that makes it easy to apply. Use this solution for a quick clean of your bathroom. In addition to eliminating all the odor-causing bacteria, it will also leave a pleasant fabric softener scent. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.